as Modi 3.0 gets in motion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pep talk to the PMO staff. The PMO belongs to people, not me, is what he has said, the staff there. And he's also said there's a focus on value addition. I'm not here for power and post. There's no time constraint for our team. The Prime Minister, in fact, has credited government employees for the NDA win. So after his grand oath-taking swearing-in ceremony, yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed officials at the PMO. Listen in.
दोस्तों 10 साल पहले हमारे देश में एक छवि बनी हुई थी कि पीएमओ एक शक्ति का केंद्र है, एक बहुत बड़ा पावर सेंटर है और मैं न सत्ता के लिए पैदा हुआ हूं न मैं शक्ति अर्जित करने के लिए सोचता हूं। मेरे लिए पीएमओ सत्ता केंद्र बने, पीएमओ शक्ति केंद्र बने, ये न मेरी इच्छा है न मेरा वो रास्ता है। और इसलिए 2014 से हमने जो कदम उठाए आपने मार्क किया होगा और पहले जो पीएमओ में रहे होंगे उनसे पूछ लेना। हमने इसको एक कैटलिक एजेंट के रूप में ही डेवलप करने की कोशिश की है। पीएमओ ये पीपल्स पीएमओ होना चाहिए, ये मोदी पीएमओ नहीं हो सकता है।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Mohit, who's joining us on the phone line with more on this. Mohit, the Prime Minister addressing the officials and people who worked at the Prime Minister's office in the past few years, telling them clearly that he's not there for the post and he's really there to serve the country, as also telling them, in fact, crediting them and attributing the victory of the NDA to them.
So yes, in fact, it was his first address to the officials of the PMO after assuming office of the PM for the third time. You know that how PM took over yesterday, and now today he went to the South Block office. And PM Modi basically stated that when it comes to the government, it is not just Modi alone. Thousands of minds that are connected to him, thousands of brains that are working on this, thousands of arms that are working on this. As a result of this grand form, even the common man gets to meet its capabilities. One important thing that the PM says that, and he emphasized that he has always believed that it should be people's PMO, not just Modi. He also said that before 2014, the PM office was perceived as a power center, but the PMO should be working for welfare of the people, and it should belong to the common people of the country. And he also basically stated that a decade ago, the perception of PMO was of a significant power at the center, adding that he was not born for power. So clearly, a message has gone out by the Prime Minister to the officials of the PMO that the PMO should be working for people. And remember, today is a big day when PM, for the third time, historic third time, took charge of the PMO. And the first thing that the Prime Minister did was to approve the transaction of the PM Kisan Nidhi, and 9.3 crore farmers have been benefited by it,
yes,
and 20,000 crores have been directly transferred to the account of people. And the PM has been saying this. So the first work that he has done is to approve the next installment of PM Kisan Nidhi. And given the fact that how the Prime Minister has stated that his focus is about the farmers, agriculture, and his focus is of Jan, that is Garib, Yuva, Annadata, and Mahila. So clearly we see that how the PM is working on it, and in his address to the PMO, he has also stressed on these facts. Back to you.